When you say that someone isn't working, you're stating a fact. But you can say the same thing differently and add context or background information to the statement, and in the process, make it a lot more interesting. Consider the following. He's between jobs. He's currently unemployed. This suggests that he's not currently working, but he's looking for a job. He's retired. He's not working because he's old enough to stop, or he's made enough money. He's on sabbatical. I'm on sabbatical. That's a professor's paid holiday to do research and write. He's studying full-time. He's not working because he's a student. He's lazy. He doesn't want to work. He's on medical leave, unwell and unable to work. He was fired or laid off. The company let him go, either due to poor performance, fired, or difficult economic conditions, laid off. Think of someone who's not working and use one of the phrases from this video to describe their situation in the comments below.